Solve your question on discussion board. You want to solve this system's equation with Cramer's rules. There's several methods. It's one of many. So you want to solve for x and y using Cramer's rule. Well, the coefficients of x are 5 and 6, and the coefficients of y are -4 and -5. That's what we have in the denominator of each of these two determinants. We have the 5, 6 coefficients of x, -4, -5 coefficients of y. Okay, our constants over here are 2, 1. And so when you're solving for x in the first column, or I call it sometimes x column, you put the 2, 1. The other column matches the denominator. Now when you're solving for y, in the y column, you put the constants 2, 1, and the other column matches the denominator. That's kind of the pattern for setting up your array of determinants here. Notice that the bottom determinants match. So I'll evaluate the bottom determinant first. So you multiply here, 5 times -5 minus the product here be 6 times -4. So that's -25 plus 24, which is -1 in the denominator. Numerator, you multiply this diagonal, 2 times -5 minus 1 times -4. It's -10 plus 4. It's -6 over -1, so the x value is 6. Now this is the same but bottom determinant, so it came out to -1. I'm not going to reevaluate it. The bottom determinant's -1. So now we multiply, it'd be 5 times 1 minus 6 times 2. 5 minus 12 is -7 over -1. That's 7. So I get an answer of 6, 7. You can check your answers. That's the nice thing about solving equations. You take the 6 and the 7 and you put it in each of those equations, and it should work out to a true statement. And it does. So we know we have the correct answer. Hope this helps.